My name is Dr. Matt Cavanaugh. I'm a Lieutenant Colonel in the United States Army. My background when it comes to studying war and human conflict really starts with going to school at West Point. My senior year is when September 11th happened, and before I knew it, I was in Iraq serving for roughly the first 2 out of 3 years of the conflict. And so when I came back, not long after, I converted from a field artillery officer to become an Army strategist, to more deeply study these issues in human conflict. I'm convinced that anyone can learn the principles and identify the patterns in human conflict and then go forth and start practicing strategy, not just as it relates to war, but also you can inject some of these principles into your own life, I think more broadly. So I'm teaching strategy for armed conflict. And it's going to be a little bit of a world tour when it comes to strategy, a little bit of history, a little bit of political science, a little bit of human psychology, a little bit of everything, frankly. But there are 3 core things that I want every student to take out of the course. The first is critical analysis, the ability to assess and analyze a battle or a war or a strategy from the past and evaluate whether or not it was effective, and then be able to identify why it was or was not effective. Second, the ability to compose or develop or design your own strategy using a few simple basic building blocks. And then third, the ability to look forward at human conflict, to conduct what's called a net assessment. It's a relatively informal and very flexible method, but it's highly effective, and it's something that I use as a practicing strategist every day. One of my favorite lessons on national interests, I actually relate my yogurt making to national interests, but I'm looking forward to students in the course getting to hear the rest of that story. So, thank you.